In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 17track Order on Shopify. This handy tool lets you efficiently manage your order tracking within your Shopify store, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's dive into the process step by step to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin panel. This is your command center for all things Shopify, and where you'll find the various applications that help enhance your store's capabilities. Once you're logged in, we're going to look for the 17track application. If you're unsure of where to find it, normally it's within your apps section. After locating 17track, the next step is to open it up. What we're doing here is essentially accessing a specialized tool designed to track shipments and provide updates directly within the Shopify interface. This integration is incredibly helpful for streamlining the operations of any online store. Upon opening 17track, you'll see an option labeled Shipments. Go ahead and click on that. Shipments is essentially your hub for keeping track of all movement details concerning your orders. This can cover everything from shipping status to delivery confirmations. Once you're within the Shipments area, our aim is to synchronize your existing orders with 17track. Look for the Sync Orders option. Clicking on Sync Orders will connect 17track with your existing store data, pulling in all relevant shipment information. This process ensures that the tracking information is up to date and reflects changes over time, which can be a huge time saver. After syncing your orders, it's important to confirm the operation. You'll see a Confirm button. Click on it to finalize the synchronization. This is an essential step because it ensures that all data has been correctly transferred and verified. Confirming the operation provides assurance that everything is in order and that your system is ready to use the tracking data to its full potential. By following these steps, you can manage your orders more efficiently, keeping your customers well informed. It can significantly enhance the customer experience by offering transparency and reliability when it comes to tracking shipments. Not only does this build trust, but it also reduces the volume of inquiries related to order status. Keeping these processes smooth and straightforward, like we've walked through today, is central to successful online retail operations. So there you have it. You've now learned how to use the 17track order system in Shopify, ensuring you can offer your customers the best possible experience when it comes to tracking their shipments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional Shopify tips and tricks.